It's a good announcement of the investment of 75.5 million for removing the encampments. We went inside the creeks, we went inside the encampments many times, and we have seen that situation is worse there. And your government already announced this investment. What is the plan? For last couple of years, how much the regions or the government spend to remove this homelessness? Because the drugs are there, addictions are there, the syringes are there, the thefts. These people, they don't have the IDs. Even police went inside the camps. Yesterday also, still the encampments are there into the creeks inside the residential areas. What is the government plan? How will they remove them from there? Because still, as of today, there is no action has been taken by any region or any police forces. Thank you.
And then a really good question, and I think you hit the nail on the head on a number of pieces here. One of the challenges that we know is that in many of these encampments, they become as much as there are many people living with mental health and addictions, and I think we all agree that's not a place for people with mental health and addictions. They should be receiving care and they should have housing. But we also know, and our police have told us that in many of these encampments, there are elements of criminality that have moved into many of these encampments, and that is why we've put the tool on the table with respect to more enforcement tools for municipalities and for policing. But at the same time, we have a court decision that we were dealing with that says that we can't empty out encampments unless we provide appropriate housing for those who are in the encampments. So the $75 million, it allows our municipal partners to do a number of things. First, we're going to invest in last mile funding housing. So affordable housing that is so close to getting in the ground, but they need just a little extra boost. So we're going to do that, and it's shovel-ready projects. But we're also then providing money for our municipal partners who will commit. It's not just that we're giving them money. They're going to have to commit to clearing out the encampment. We will give money so that the encampment can be cleared out, money so that the encampment site can be cleaned, and that they can continue to monitor the encampment site. And let me be clear, that we will not provide funding to a municipality or to a partner that doesn't agree to clear out the encampment. Full stop. This is about clearing out the encampments, getting people the help that they need who are in them, and really then dealing with the lawlessness that has creeped into many of these encampments. And if our partners work with us, we'll work with them and provide the funding. If they don't, we will not fund them. We want these encampments gone. We want the people that need help to get help. And we want the criminality that has creeped into so many of these places to be dealt with. And our police have said, give us some extra tools to deal with it, and they will deal with it. And so I think you really did hit the nail on the head of the challenge that we're seeing on this. So we're working right now. All of our municipal partners have received a letter from us already saying this is the money that is available. This is the pledge that you're going to have to make, and this is the result that we want. And over the next 2 weeks, we're going to get applications from them, and we are going to move very, very, very quickly. So over the next, and this is money that flows right now. I'll just say this is immediate money that is flowing. We're not having to wait for months. It flows immediately. And the end result, Nitin, really is exactly as you say, clear out the encampments, give the parks and communities, and even our downtowns. I mean, we started to see it in many of the downtowns across the province as well. So that is the end goal of this.